Hello, in this video we're going to see the English vowel sound ah. You may want to check videos 1 and 2 for an introduction on phonetics and pronunciation. There are quite a few different accents in English, but for this video and for future videos I'm going to use RP. RP stands for Received Pronunciation, which is the most commonly taught British accent in language schools. Ah is found in words such as cat, rat, and hat. This is the symbol we use for this sound, ah. Ah is found in words such as apple, ant, have, bad, hand, marry, lamp, and land. How to pronounce this sound? The mouth goes from a closed position to a wide open mouth. The tongue is held flat. The tip of the tongue is just behind the bottom teeth. Ah, ah. Let's practice this sound. Listen and repeat. Cat, cat. Rat, rat. Hand, hand. Land, land. Marry, marry. Apple, apple. Ant, ant. Now let's practice with 3 longer examples. Listen and repeat. The cat sat on my hat. The cat sat on my hat. The cat sat on my hat. 3 young rats in black hats. 3 young rats in black hats. 3 young rats in black hats. 7 Santas sang silly songs. 7 Santas sang silly songs. 7 Santas sang silly songs. Stay tuned for more videos on English sounds. That's all for now. Find more stuff, activities and quizzes on my blog, blogdeselena.blog. And if you liked the video, please subscribe and leave a like. Thank you very much for watching.